Hi everyone, I'm Sam and I'm an art and mindset tutor, and I help people to discover the artist within them by giving them inspiration, guidance and support. And I wanted to talk about my Facebook group that I've set up, which offers lots of different things from tutorials in art, drawing, painting, so watercolours, colour pencils, graphite, pastel pencils as well. But not only drawing tutorials, I offer support in mindset work as well. Do you compare yourself to other artists? Do you struggle with confidence issues? Do you struggle with anxiety and stress? And it's something I'm really passionate about because I know how much it's helped me in the past to have something in my life that's really worthwhile, that's creative, that kind of fulfills that creative outlet that I need, that slows me down. It's great for mindfulness, it's great for relaxation, and it really helps with that stress and anxiety. So I talk a lot about that as well. I'm really passionate about this group, I'm very active in it, and this week I'm offering completely free live draw-alongs with me, where you've got the opportunity to ask me questions or, you know, have a little go at the drawing that I'm doing. Last week I did 5 days as well, so you can get access to that content as well. And we're going to be doing arty Christmas projects for the rest of this week. It would be lovely to see you over there, so come on over and join Artist Community Facebook group. I will put the link in the description and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.